Hi, I'm Anna Denton-Jones of Refreshing Law Limited, and this vlog is being made on the 8th of March 2021, and I want to talk to you today about March the 23rd of this month, because I think a lot of people are not aware that certainly in Wales the day has been recognised as a day of remembrance for those people who've been lost to COVID-19 in the last year or so. And that's come about really from the ideas of families and people who've lost loved ones and friends who've suggested that there needs to be some kind of day of remembrance. And there's a big campaign to light buildings up with yellow lights as part of that occasion. So as an employer, you may have lost colleagues to the disease, and equally you may have staff who've lost family and friends, where there is a desire to mark the occasion in some way, and you may need to be thinking about how you would perhaps do that as an organisation. I'm a member of a COVID-related organisation that's been set up to help people in relation to some of the legal issues that are arising out of COVID-19, and as a byproduct, I think it acts as a support group for people. And what I'm seeing from some of the posts and information that people are putting forward is that being bereaved because of COVID-19, whilst I don't want to diminish anybody's grief in relation to any bereavement, is slightly different. And I think there's a number of different factors that are going into the mix there. So obviously, not being able to perhaps have said goodbye to a loved one will always have certain effects from a bereavement perspective. Not being able to have said goodbye to somebody with the kind of funeral or other celebration of somebody's life that we might have had in quote unquote normal times, again leaves people feeling that they haven't done what they would normally have done for somebody, and can make those feelings very challenging. So people are, for want of a better description, I think, suffering a little bit in their grief in relation to the way that COVID has affected loved ones who are left. So I think if organisations can mark the occasion in some way, that would have a value to those people who are feeling that numbers are reported on the news every day, and of course to them their loved one is a name, not a number. Indeed, there is a campaign called Names Not Numbers, and there are two amazing guys who stand outside Parliament every day with names of people who've been lost to COVID written on pieces of cardboard that they then put in the street to try and bring to life the fact that the statistics that we hear about on the TV and the radio aren't just statistics, and that those people did matter to somebody. So get your thinking caps on. Think about what you can do as an organisation to mark the occasion and make sure that people aren't left feeling that their loved ones have been forgotten. Thank you very much.